Welcome back to the Dadskillz how-to and review channel. Now recently this channel has hit 1,000 subscribers and we're well over 1,000 subscribers now. And to a YouTube creator, 1,000 subscribers is a massive milestone. And if you don't know why, there's a couple of reasons for that which I'll go into in a moment, but it's absolutely massive. And it means a whole lot more on YouTube than it would do on something, say, Instagram or TikTok, for example. So, for example, on TikTok, I've got over 16,000 followers, but YouTube subscribers mean a whole lot more. So I'm guessing you've come here to watch this video because you may have a YouTube channel, you may be starting a YouTube channel, and you want to know what it's taken to get to 1,000 subscribers and why it's so important. Well, I'm going to go into a few things that I think are really important to hit that milestone on YouTube. But I want you to stay right to the end, because at the end I'm going to give you another massive tip that'll help you on your YouTube journey. So let's start at the beginning. 1,000 subscribers. Why does it mean so much on YouTube? Well, if you don't know already, 1,000 subscribers is the count you need to hit to be eligible for YouTube monetization. The other big one is 4,000 hours watch time over the last 365 days. And that's a rolling 365 days. And that's why it's such a massive milestone to any YouTube creator to get to 1,000 subscribers. It's amazing. Every single one of those subscribers means the world. And you're just so thankful that they've come, they've watched the video, and they've subscribed to your channel. It's fantastic. So video-wise, what is it you need to do or be thinking about to try and hit some of these milestones on YouTube? So the first thing, the obvious thing, is pick a topic and make a video. It's as simple as that. There are a number of really good YouTube how-to channels, essentially. So there's people like vidIQ, there's Think Media, and what they tell you in the beginning is just make a video. It's going to take you probably 100 videos before you even get into the rhythm of making videos, before you can nail down a process in your video making, in your workflow, and make it work for you. And so here's the first big one. YouTube is a video sharing platform. So share some videos. It's that simple. And in the beginning, make loads of videos, make loads of content, pump it out there, because I'm going to be honest with you, they're going to be crap. To start with, your videos are going to be rubbish. Unless you're one of those geniuses who gets it and it clicks just like that, your video is going to be rubbish and no one's going to watch it. So if something is worth doing, it's worth doing really badly to start with. So make some rubbish videos. No one's going to hold it against you. But the most important thing is you will learn something from that. You will learn more about your niche, which you need on YouTube, and we'll go into that in a moment. But you'll learn how to make a video. You'll learn about decent audio. And on YouTube, decent audio will rule decent video quality every time. People will sit there and watch a bad video with good audio, but as soon as they see a video and they can't hear what they're listening to and it's got bad audio, they'll turn off straight away. So that's another tip. Decent audio. Okay, next tip. I mentioned earlier on how to get to that big milestone of 1,000 subscribers. Niche. What does that mean? Well, you need a topic. And I've got to be honest with you, this is still an issue for the Dadskillz how-to and review channel. Those topics are so broad. So for instance, I've done a video, successful video, on how to make red cabbage. You think red cabbage is a simple thing, but it's got a lot of views and people obviously want to know how to make red cabbage. Decent kebab shop style red cabbage. Now, the problem I've got is the next video I make may be about a DeWalt drill or a review for a tool. So if you've come for a review for a tool, you're not going to want to watch, possibly, a video on how to make red cabbage. So this channel still isn't as niched as it needs to be to grow as quickly as you'd like it to. And that's partly why I've started the Dadskillz Cars channel, because I'm interested in cars. I'd love to have a project car at some point. And so now I've got a dedicated channel to cars. So if you've come here for a red cabbage video, the next video I make isn't going to be about cars. It may well be about cooking something or whatever. But anyway, I digress. So back to you starting your YouTube channel and how to get to 1,000 subscribers. So something else I've used is YouTube Shorts. YouTube Shorts are a funny one. Because you can see their views, the view count and things in your analytics on YouTube, but the watch time doesn't count towards the watch time you need to to become monetized, but they're a great way to get subscribers quite quickly. And I think one of my most popular videos, I haven't had a viral video on YouTube, but I've had one on TikTok, or a couple on TikTok. So one of my best videos got to something like 45,000 views really quickly, and I gained about 100 subscribers. That was on my car channel, which is great. But on YouTube Shorts, that subscribe button is very easy to click, and there's no notification bell on there. So when I release a video, they may never see it. You'd have to have someone pretty dedicated who would check in on my channel and see if I've got any more videos coming up. It's not going to happen. So that's the downside of YouTube Shorts. But if you wanted to go down that route of making YouTube Shorts, I have a couple of tips for you on that. And that is, the first one, I wouldn't go over 15 seconds. Second one is, I would use the most popular music you can. And the other one is, in the title, I'd put an emoji, because the sort of people who are watching YouTube Shorts are more than likely going to be a lot younger than me. They'll have all their hair, and it won't be grey. And it'll be the same sort of kids that are on TikTok, making videos and watching videos on TikTok.
That's right.
So the next and final tip really is, in the beginning, fail big. Fail as big as you can. Make what you think is the best video you can ever make, and then I hope it flops, because you'll learn an incredible amount from that. The last thing you want is one of your first videos to go viral, because you'll think it's easy, and your next video will flop, and you won't know what to do about it. So fail. Go out there and fail multiple times and fail big, and keep going. That's all you can do. This channel is by no means perfect. The videos are by no means perfect. My presenting style is far from perfect, but I keep going, because what else am I going to do? I need to create something. I'm going to keep going. So that's it from Dadskillz. And as usual, I've probably missed loads out. If you're a creator yourself, leave me and leave my audience some tips in the comments below about how we can improve. How can I make this video better? Now, if you've made it this far, that's super appreciated. Thank you very much. Consider dropping me a like, leave a comment down below. And I did say there was one final tip, didn't I, that I would give you to help kickstart your YouTube journey. And that's a video that I made recently about making a killer thumbnail. I'll link it now, and in that there are some fantastic tips and ideas on apps and ideas for your thumbnail, and how to keep it simple, and how to make it striking, and how to make anyone want to click on it. Watch that video now. Tell me what you think. But that's it from Dadskillz today. Thank you very much. I'll see you again.